Hello everyone, and welcome to our science class. Today, we are starting Chapter 1 from your SCERT Assam Class 7 science book, Nutrition in Plants. Let's begin with a simple question. Why do all living things need food? Food gives us energy to grow, to repair our bodies, and to stay healthy. This is true not just for humans and animals, but for plants as well. But here's something amazing. Unlike animals, plants do not move around to search for food. Instead, most plants make their own food. This special ability makes them very important for life on Earth. The way living things get their food is called their mode of nutrition. Plants are called autotrophs. Auto means self, and troph means nourishment. Autotrophs make their own food from simple substances like water and carbon dioxide. Animals, including us, are called heterotrophs. We depend on plants or other animals for our food. So, how do plants actually make their food? Plants use a process called photosynthesis to prepare food in their leaves. For this, they need sunlight, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air. The green pigment in leaves, called chlorophyll, helps capture sunlight energy. During photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar that gives them energy, and release oxygen into the air. This process not only feeds the plant but also supports life on Earth by providing oxygen. So, in summary, plants are the food producers. Animals and humans depend on plants for food and oxygen. This is why plants are called the foundation of life on Earth. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into the process of photosynthesis, the food-making process in plants. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more science lessons.